How to add pictures in Character AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add pictures in Character AI. So first of all you have to do is just open Character AI, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you are logged into your account, just select the character that you would want to chat with. For example, I want to chat with this particular character right here, so just click on it. So as soon as I click on this particular chat right here, you can see that there is no such option to add pictures or send any image for this particular chat right here. Since you want to send the picture to this particular character, all you have to do is just come to the URL section of this particular page right here, and right beside the chat you will be able to see the 2 number. You just have to select the URL completely, and after that just hover your cursor right beside the 2 and just simply remove the 2 from the URL itself. And after that just simply press enter and just let the page to refresh. And as soon as the page get refreshed, you will be able to see this plus icon right beside the chat option, and just simply click on it, and there you will be able to see the create image option and upload image option. So this is basically how you will be able to add pictures to Character AI. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.